Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going, guys? What is up? How is everything? I'm opening up some new 5-packs. I got this new one. This one's called the Matchbox Off-Road. Looks really cool. And check it out. We're gonna take a look at all the models in this 5-pack. They look pretty cool. Look at this one. Matchbox Adventure Tours. This one's a 2014 Chevy Silverado. It looks amazing. It really looks really cool. Look at that. Air conditioned summer fun. Flo's Matchbox Adventure Tours. Summer Berry Festival. And it has a Silverado name right there. Isn't that cool? What a beauty. I'm loving this new 5-pack. This is the only fantasy car in the pack, or truck I should say. The Road Mauler. This one's a Matchbox creation. So the only fantasy vehicle in the pack. Very cool. A lot going on this one. Wow, look at all that detail. So much going on. Dirty Mutter Truckin' 3. And then we got this one right here. This one is 2016 Ram flatbed. And check it out. Look at that. Got a pirate flag right there on the door. Nice. Very cool. Now I do have this one in a few different liveries, and this one is looking pretty cool. And I really love this one right here. Check this out. 1957 GMC Stepside. Look at that. Parts delivery, truck hero. That is so cool. And it says back here, truck hero. And let's see if we can see that. America's best selling truck accessories. Okay. America's best selling truck accessories. All right, cool. And we have the GMC name right there. Little spot for the license plate. Isn't that awesome? Beautiful little truck. And the last one in the pack is this one right here. The Jeep Bushwhacker. Look at that. All the equipment on top, jerry can, chainsaw, all kinds of stuff right there. And it's a Jeep. So it's a real vehicle. So nice. Look at that. Big giant wheels with the Matchbox name. Raised letters on the tires. Right there. Matchbox name back here. Jeep Bushwhacker. Jeep Wrangler Superlift. And the scale is 162. Very nice. What a 5-pack. Now this one, I just got that one. And this one I bought the other day, which has another step side in it. This one's called the Matchbox Highway 2, by the way. And the first 5 cars we saw are from Matchbox Off-Road. All right. What's cool about this one is, look at this. The same truck that we have in the new one is also available in this one, which is also new. GMC, name right there. Very nice. The 1957 GMC Stepside. Isn't that cool? So we have this one. It comes with this Pontiac Firebird Formula. So nice. And it comes with this one right here. 79C Matchbox. And this one is 1933 Ford Coupe. Wow, all the way back to 1933. What a cool little hot rod. And then we have this one right here. This is a great 5-pack. Man, I love this one. Camaro. 2016 Chevy Camaro. Very nice. Man, look at that. Beautiful. What a color, right? Man. And it comes with a Hudson. The Hudson Hornet. Let's see. 51 Hudson Hornet. All right. Nice. Man, we got some old cars here, huh? Sheriff, Matchbox Valley, Unit 01. Awesome. Two really, really nice 5-packs. Now, what's cool about this is that they come with the 57 Chevy. I'm sorry, 57 GMC step side. The GMC step side, which is really awesome. A really awesome looking Matchbox. And I have it from another time when I bought this 57 GMC from the National Parks livery, which is so cool. And I can't remember if this comes on the main line or is it a Target exclusive. Trying to remember, but it's kind of hard to remember. So many cars, but look at that. Another one added to my, another two added to this 57 that I have. That's really, really cool and I really like a lot. So very cool. And in that 50s theme, I started to just take a look at all my 57s that I have here, or 50s cars. Here's another 50s car that I've had for a while, the 59 Dodge Coronet Police. I'm like, man, that looks so cool. They all fit in the years of these step sides. So I don't know, just started thinking about these step sides and how cool. I have a bunch of vehicles that'll fit in with them. A bunch of Matchboxes. Let me show you guys some of these Matchboxes I have. I know we have some new ones now. This one that comes with the red one fits right in, because this one again is a 51. Well, these are all 50s cars. Look at this one. This one right here is a 50s car right as well. As a matter of fact, I think this one's a 1950. Yeah, 1950 Chevy Suburban. Look at that. So cool. Perfect to hang out together. These old 50s vehicles look so cool. So I got a bunch of these now. We should put the parts all together. Look at that. We have the parks guys. And we have these guys all hanging out. This one's another cool 50s vehicle. A Dodge. Look at that. Really cool. That back end looks amazing, right? Those fins. 1957 Dodge Swept Side. So this one's also 57. That looks so cool. Look at that. A couple of old trucks just hanging out here. Man, what a great addition to the collection. Let's go ahead and put this, let's put these three right there all together. And then having that Hudson, which is so cool, 1951, reminded me of this one that I bought not too long ago. And I believe I found this one at Walmart. The 59 Dodge Coronet Police. So 1951 and a 59. Look at that, how much they change, right? From 51 to 59. Pretty nice. Nice bunch of cars here. And this one right here is probably reminds you of Elvis. If you know who Elvis is. It says Pinky back there. This one is a 55 Cadillac. Wow, 1955 Cadillac. Awesome. They have that look, right? That 50s look. 55 and a 59 in black. Check out those tail fins. These just remind me of old movies when you come across like old movies or when you see these at car shows and stuff like that. Isn't that awesome? What a cool bunch of cars. There's another one here. Remember this one? The POW? 1956 POW Sport Pickup. So nice to see this one out and about here, hanging out with the gang. So awesome. These little old 50s trucks just remind me so much of the old movies and TV shows that maybe you come across on TV once in a while. So nice. Here's another one that's been converted to modern times. Look at this. The 1954 Henry J. Gasser by Matchbox. Another cool vehicle. Look at that. White wheel in the back, chrome in the front, opening hood. Look at that engine. What a nice Matchbox. This one is just amazing. Really cool. Little 50s vehicle. Here's another 50s vehicle. Check this out. 53 Buick Skylark. Look at all the detail on this one. It's a different vibe with this one, but when you put them next to, like, let's say the Hornet, yeah, fits right in. Early 50s right there. Those big rounded hoods in the front. Look at that. Really cool. Really, really cool. These look amazing. Great job on these Matchbox, by the way. And then this one right here. Here's another oldie. A 56 Jaguar Xk 140. Wow, man. This one looks cool too. So different. We've probably seen this one in some old movies too. Little hubcaps on there. Very cool. And then this one, look, this one looks really sporty. Man, look at that. I think this one's an Aston Martin, isn't it? Yeah, 56 Aston Martin DBR1. Man, that is nice. Isn't that awesome? Let's see how he looks next to this one again right here. A couple of roadsters or convertibles. A Jaguar and an Aston Martin. Pretty cool. I have another one here that's pretty similar. It's also 1950s. A 55 Porsche 550 Spider. Isn't that awesome? Look at that. What a nice Matchbox. Opening hood. See some engine parts there. Little dusty here. Gotta take it to the car wash, get you detailed. Look at the back. Very interesting. Nice wheels. Again, the opening hood in the back. The engine is all the way back there. The Porsche. A 1955 Porsche. There it is. 55, the 550 Spider. That is cool. So got a bunch of 50s cars here. Just because I got inspired with these two trucks that I just got. They're so cool. Let's go ahead and park these back here. So all of these 50s cars looking amazing. Let's put this one back here. Here we go. Really, really cool. But I should feature these guys that came in the 5-pack, right? This one, let's put them back there. This one goes over here. All right, so here are the new ones for the 5-pack. This one right here. And I already forgot what came in this one. Let me see. Oh, yeah. This one right here. I think this one came in this order, kind of like this. There we go. And I'm missing one. Which one's missing? Oh, here it is. The Matchbox. The Matchbox original. The big giant truck. There it is. So these are looking really, really cool. Let me show you how it looks when you see it in the package. Let's see. I think that big giant truck goes right there. This one was all the way on top. First one we pulled out. And this one goes all the way down here. that one goes there. And then the Jeep goes on the bottom. So let's back it up a little bit. There you go. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Let's put him in here. This is what he looks like when you find him at the store. Let me put the other one together for you so you can see. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? The Matchbox off-road. And let's put it back here. There we go. And let's put the other one back together. This one was down here, the first one we got out. Then I got the Pontiac, then the hot rod, the convertible, and the Hudson up here. Another awesome five pack. Let's put him back in the box. There we go. These look really, really cool. Let's get these out of the way. Here we go. Aren't those awesome? Look at that. Very, very nice. And I just got into this 50s theme, but just because I was like enjoying the 5-pack. Just enjoying the 5-pack. All these little old 50s cars. Started to bring all these out. That one's a 60s. That one's a 60s. This one's a 50s car. Here's another 50s. So awesome. Very, very cool. Loving all these cars. Loving all these cars. Very cool. All right, guys. So I hope you let me know if you're looking for this one. This is the latest one I bought. I bought this one a little bit further back a few days ago. So I got this one just now. A brand new 5-pack from Matchbox. They're both really awesome. I love them. I love that they have the little truck, which is this one right here. Great, great little truck there. Man, I'm loving that one right there. That truck. I love that little truck. I love the hot rod. That Camaro looks amazing. The Pontiac looks amazing. The Hudson looks amazing. There's some really nice ones. Man, that Jeep. Wow. Great 5-packs. All right, guys, let me know if you have them already, if you're hunting them down. Are you going to be on the lookout for them? And which one of these Matchbox from the 50s do you have? Do you have the Powell? Do you have this one back here, the Porsche? Do you have that Caddy? And how about this one? Have you been able to find this one? This one's really cool. Little police car. Bunch of nice ones. So let me know which ones you have, guys. Just love reading your comments and listening to your commentary. Very cool. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Just checking out some Matchbox 5-packs. I'll see you guys in the next video.